So if you look at in Singapore, the top 10 IT jobs, DevOps is one of them. The adoption of the agile development practices throughout Singapore has been rapidly increased. I'm Chandra from Institute of System Science, NUS. I'm teaching the DevOps Engineering and Automation course and Agile Testing course, and these two are related to the digital agility and software system practices. And DevOps can able to help the large organizations to become lean, agile, and innovation by having the more reliable software delivery with a low risk. The adoption of the agile development practices throughout Singapore has been rapidly increased. So if you look at in Singapore, the top 10 IT jobs, DevOps is one of them. Okay, the DevOps engineer, the main responsibility is to develop, build and maintain the continuous integration pipeline and continuous deployment pipeline by having the automated set of the software to build the high quality software. And the DevOps engineer should monitor the day-to-day for backup, the deployment and maintenance of the systems, and collaborative with team members to improve the client's engineering tools, systems and procedures, as well as the data security, if any, and conduct the automated system level testing, which include the vulnerability, the security scan during the hardening of the system and application platform, liaise with a vendor and other IT resources for the problem resolutions. Now we are in the era of Linux. So the DevOps engineer must be able to handle the scripting language and must well versed with at least one scripting language, preferably it could be Python, so that they can able to develop the skill set. So all the DevOps tools, they have to be familiar with that. Example like a source code management, the repository management, they have to use the GitLab and GitHub. And configuration management tools, they should be familiar with Puppet, Chef and Ansible. The continuous integration tools, Jenkins and Bamboo. The continuous testing, they can use a lot of open source automation tools as well as commercial tools. So some of the open source tools such as Fitness, Selenium, the Test Complete and JMeter, the security glassbox testing. So all those popular tools, they can use it. And for containerization, they should be familiar with Docker and Kubernetes. So all these tools, they should have this hands-on experience so that they can able to directly participate into the project. So in all these tools, you need to have this hands-on, then only you can able to be a successful DevOps engineer. And of course, the DevOps engineers to be follow the agile practices. So they should have this soft skill like communications and how to collaborate with a team and how to make this teamwork to exhibit their knowledge and experiences being part of this DevOps engineering. Okay, the benefits we can expect by implementing the DevOps engineering and automation practices. It can able to lower the cost for the project development because it helps to find out the defects at the source, and through this we can able to reduce the number of errors, and by having this automation we can utilize only the less amount of the human resources needs for the deployments, means it actually allows for us to go for the lower costing. So in order for us to improve our software delivery and the services, we always focus on whatever the promises that we made to the customers, are we able to deliver it to them.